Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan nacho cheese. This plant-based delight is surprisingly easy to prepare and incredibly versatile. We'll explore how nutritional yeast delivers that essential cheesy flavor, while raw cashews provide a wonderfully creamy base. You'll learn how simple spices transform these ingredients into a savory, satisfying sauce, perfect for all your favorite dishes. Get ready to elevate your snack game with this dairy-free alternative. Making this vegan nacho cheese is incredibly straightforward. First, you'll want to soak 1 cup of raw cashews in hot water for at least 15 minutes to soften them, ensuring a super smooth consistency. Next, simply combine the soaked cashews with 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, and your chosen spices in a high-speed blender. Blend until it's completely smooth and creamy, then taste and adjust the seasonings as needed for perfection. One of the best things about this vegan nacho cheese is how easily you can customize it to your liking. For a fiery kick, try adding a small piece of fresh jalapeno to the blender. A teaspoon of smoked paprika can introduce a wonderful smoky depth, while a squeeze of fresh lime juice brightens the entire flavor profile. If you prefer a thinner sauce, simply add a tablespoon or 2 of plant-based milk until you reach your desired consistency. Now that you've mastered making this incredible vegan nacho cheese, it's time to enjoy it. The most obvious choice is to generously drizzle it over a pile of tortilla chips for the ultimate classic nachos. It also makes a fantastic dip for fresh vegetables, soft pretzels, or even apple slices. Try pouring it over baked potatoes, steamed broccoli, or even a hearty bowl of chili. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.